Now, trigonometrical ratios. In the previous day, we have learned trigonometrical ratios. That is, sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta, sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, and cosec theta is just the reverse of opposite of sine, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Sec theta is reverse of cos, that is hypotenuse upon base, and the cot theta is just the opposite of tan theta, that is base upon perpendicular. What is base and perpendicular and hypotenuse we are talking about? That is a right triangle. When it is a right triangle, this is the right triangle, and angle between one of the acute angle is theta, then perpendicular opposite to the angle, that is this is P, and this is hypotenuse is this, and the base is the angle with the angle base is the side which is containing the angle. So I have explained. We have learned those the tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Yes, that I have shown. That is cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. Yes. Then sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, etc., etc. We have all learned. Now we have already learned that trigonometrical identities, that is sine square A, instead of theta I have written A, that is angle I name, that is A. Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Cos squares, from here we derive cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A, and sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Yes? Okay. Then second identity is 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Then implies it is sec square A minus tan square A is 1, and sec square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Third identity is that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1, and cosec square A minus 1 is equal to cot square A. Okay. Then these are the three identities, and 6 are corollaries for it. 3 identities, from 3 main identities we can derive corollaries also. Okay. The question number 1, express cos theta, tan theta, sec theta in terms of sine theta or A, cos A, tan A, sin A in terms of sin A, cos A, tan A, sec A. We know cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. Just now we have learned. Okay. Then cos A is equal to square root of that 1 minus sine square A. It can be plus minus. But since we are dealing with all acute angles, it will be positive number. Okay. Then tan A is equal to, this is sine square A. This is tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Sin A divided by cos A is what? Root over 1 minus sine square A. Okay. Then it is root over 1 minus sine square A. Okay. Then sec A is 1 upon cos A. That is 1 upon root over 1 minus sine square A. Okay. Then these are the sums we can easily derive. Question number 2, that they are called identities. That means left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. I can start from the left hand side also, I can start from the right hand side also. now I am starting from left hand side. That is cosec theta minus cot square theta whole square, cot square theta whole square is equal to 1 upon sine theta minus 1 upon cos theta by sine theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta. Yes, whole square. Whole square means 1 minus cos theta whole square, and since the denominator is same for both, it will be sine square theta. From the identity, we know sine square theta is equal to what? We know sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is a plus b, a minus b. I can use this formula. That is 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. And numerator has got 1 minus cos theta whole square. So I will cancel one of this and this one. Okay, so I am left out with 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So have you followed all? These are the main three identities, 1, 2 and 3. And derivation from that three identities, we derive 2 from each. Okay, so we have to remember everything.